Long ago, on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, when the armies of good and evil were ready to fight, Prince Arjuna stood in deep thought. His heart was full of confusion. His mind was lost in questions about life, duty, and God. He turned to Lord Krishna, his divine charioteer, and asked, "Oh Krishna, please guide me. I want to know the highest truth, the secret behind this world, and how to reach you." With a gentle smile, Krishna began to speak. "Arjuna, what I am about to tell you is the greatest knowledge of all. It is the key of wisdom and the deepest secret. It brings joy, peace, and freedom. This truth is simple, pure, and eternal." Arjuna listened with wonder. Krishna continued, "Everything you see, this world, the sky, the stars, rivers, people, animals, all of it lives in me. I am the seed of life. I am the fire in the sun, the coolness in the moon, and the sweetness in water. I am everywhere. Though I support all beings, I remain untouched. Just like the wind blows through the sky, but does not touch the sky. I live in all things, but am beyond them." Arjuna asked, "But Krishna, why don't more people realize this truth?" Krishna replied, "Because of Maya, the illusion that hides my true form. Many are caught in desire, anger, and pride. They worship me for temporary gain, wealth, power, or health, but they forget my true nature. But those who know me, worship me with love, they see me in every form. Whether they sing my name, offer a flower, or give a little water with love, I accept it. Even a small act done with pure heart reach me. Even if someone has made many mistakes, if they turn to me with devotion, they are holy. They are on the path to peace. I never leave those who love me. I protect them. I guide them. And when this life ends, they come to me and never return to this world of suffering." As Krishna's divine words filled the air, Arjuna's doubt began to melt away. He realized that the true path to God was not through fear or pride, but through love, faith, and surrender. This was the royal knowledge, simple yet deep, and the royal secret hidden not by walls, but by the noise of the world. Those who walk this path, Krishna said, find joy beyond measure, because they do not just worship God, they become one with Him. And so, the truth of chapter 9 lives on reminding us that God is always near. He is not far in the sky, but close in every breath, in every heart that calls His name with love. Jai Sri Krishna. Raja Vidya Raja Guhya Yoga.